Hi guys, Con here. So in my previous video I showed you a test drive of the Ford Ranger Raptor. So I've just come back from Bentong and Ford is hosting a launch of the newly updated Ranger here in Setia City Convention Center, where they are officially launching all the other variants of the Ranger family. So this Raptor here is being put there just as a preview. No price has been announced just yet. The focus now are on the on the supporting cast of the family, or you can also say these really will be the main selling variants of the Ranger family. So now the updated Ranger, okay, comes with a choice of two engines. You still get the familiar 2.2 liter inline 4 that makes 185 PS, or sorry, 160 PS, or the higher variants get the new 2 liter Panther engine, alright, that comes with either a single turbo variant making 185 PS, alright. This will be powering the XLT Plus as well as the Wildtrak 4x2 variant. Then if you jump to the Wildtrak 4x4, okay, that's just over the other side, that's just over there. The Wildtrak 4x4 model has a bi-turbo version of the Panther engine making 213 PS, 500 Newton meters of torque, same like the Raptor. Okay, so those versions of the Ranger with the Panther engine also get a 10-speed automatic transmission that is shared with the Ford Mustang. Now, to me, the biggest highlight of this range really is the new 4x2 Wildtrak model, which I think that is a very brilliant piece of product positioning from Ford, because you see, most Ranger buyers, okay, they are the urban dwellers. But as we all know, the Ranger Wildtrak spec is the one that everybody wants. Okay, most people, they like the Ranger in the Wildtrak appearance. So what Ford gives here is a truck decked up in the Ranger in the Wildtrak body, but with a 2 liter engine and a simple 4x2 drivetrain for greater ease of maintenance. Even before this, I always thought that Ford should have sold the Wildtrak spec with the 2.2 liter engine. Now with a 2 liter engine with even more power and lower road tax, fantastic. I think this will be the variant to look out for. All right, now the 4x4. Once again, this is Eugene. Hi, Eugene.
Hello.
Okay, so the Ranger 4x4 variant, this is the one with the higher powered Panther engine, and most importantly, it has autonomous emergency braking system, lane departure warning, the full suite of safety features. Okay, yeah, so that is the major highlight of the Wildtrak model, the Wildtrak 4x4 model. So in appearance, the biggest way you can tell the updated Ranger apart from the other models is that, well, this grille here, this side decorative grille here, okay, previously has always been either 2.2 6-speed or 3.2. Those versions with the Panther engine, they just get the Ranger badge here. Alright, so just to show you how it looks like from the back, and you can see the XLT Plus here also gets a reverse camera. The XLT 2.2 does not have it. Okay, so a major differentiation, visual differentiation. Previously also, this grille, okay, even right from the XLT variant, this grille has been updated. It now carries these two double horizontal bars. The XLT model here gets halogen projector headlamps, whereas the XLT Plus upwards, you get them upgraded to LEDs. So another highlight feature with the Ranger is the updated Ranger is the Easy Lift tailgate. So let me just show you this. This is the XLT Plus model. Okay, Easy Lift tailgate is supposedly available from XLT Plus onwards. Very light. Okay, this is a very light tailgate. Now I come to the XLT. Oh, now things that heavy, man. So just now operating the XLT Plus Easy Lift tailgate and this regular tailgate, I can tell you, oh, fuck, there's a big difference. There is a difference. This is heavy. So the higher spec versions, XLT Plus upwards, they have a torsion bar mechanism at the tailgate hinge to reduce to make this a lot easier to lift and to lower. All right, so you don't need as much strength. And here you see, I like this. This is a nice touch. You get a cup holder here. So we come inside the interior. Now in my previous video I showed you the interior of the Raptor, this one being the XLT. Not as fancy, you don't even get keyless entry, but you do get this light here at the cargo bed. That's nice. Air conditioning is single zone. You get one USB port here. You don't get a touch screen, but that's okay. You get all these buttons. This brings back memories of Ford products from 5 years ago that seem to have an overload of buttons on the dash, but at least this switchgear feel of good quality. Okay, the clarity also appears good, but needs to be experienced on the drive to really tell its user friendliness. You get fabric upholstery. You get cruise control even for this XLT manual variant. So this is not a badly equipped truck by any stretch of the imagination. Okay, so we arrive here in the XLT Plus model. You get a significant upgrade in equipment. You get keyless entry. You go to leather upholstery. Instrument cluster is different entirely. Alright. You get a center touch screen and you get this useful tray here which you can put your mobile phone, I guess. No, probably not. Don't recommend that. Again, an extra USB port down there that was also present in the Raptor. Yep. No pedal shifters like the Raptor here, but you get this manual shifting switches, which I've seen this in a few Ford, and you get these manual shifting buttons, which honestly I don't understand the logic of this. I've seen this in a few Ford and GM cars, which Ford and GM share have a transmission partnership, so they together make this 10-speed transmission, and both of them have this habit of using this rocker shifting switch, which I believe is not a fabulous idea at all. Okay, yeah, but otherwise, yeah. So the major addition here is the touchscreen here and leather upholstery coming from the XLT. Of course, the new engine lah. Wow, not bad, man. Check this out. Got gas struts, and see how compact this engine is sitting in the engine bay that was previously designed for a 3.2 liter engine. Yep. So I have not driven the XLT Plus or the Wildtrak models, but I would believe that this gives also additional handling benefits because it is a lighter engine up front. It will give the Ranger a more agile nose. Okay, we'll move over to the Wildtrak 4x2 model. Okay, now the thing about the Wildtrak 4x2 is that it gets most of the equipment you have in the Wildtrak 4x4, but with a less powerful engine, and it also loses out on the autonomous emergency braking system. Okay, I don't think it's a significantly big loss, but overall, from here, this looks equipment-wise much the same as the XLT Plus. You get, of course, nicer dash trimmings. You get the same upgraded instrument cluster as seen in the XLT Plus. You get touchscreen, and yeah, the leather here seems to be of a nicer grade. Yeah, you still get this rocker manual shifting switch. Of course, you don't have the shift on the fly 4x4, but hey, you get a rear diff lock. It's got to be good for something. And let's hop over to the Wildtrak 4x4. Okay, so also with the Wildtrak 4x2, you already receive electric seat adjustment. Okay, this is an additional equipment over the XLT Plus. Alright, so coming over to the 4x4 Wildtrak, biggest news of course is the addition of active cruise control as well as the autonomous emergency braking, the full autonomous safety package. You get also lane departure warning, lane keep assist and all that, which you don't even get in the Raptor as well. So prices for the new Ranger. The base Kosong spec XL model starts at 90,888. The XLT 2.2 starts from 109,888. The XLT Plus model is priced at 124,888, whereas the Wildtrak 4x2 model is priced from 134,888. Okay, so yeah, that concludes this simple walk around video of the Ford Rangers, the new Ford Ranger family. The Ranger Raptor will be unveiled. Okay, prices will be announced officially at the upcoming KL Motor Show. Yep, so watch my earlier review video of that if you haven't done so. And yep. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like my content, click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon to toggle the frequency of updates every time I upload a new video. And don't forget also to check out the channels of Bobby, Bing and Fadil, okay, of the Horizon team. And until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.